Startup is actually the beginning stages of the process. Okay, the first time. So the entrepreneur, they have to create some uniqueness, unique product or unique services. Otherwise, the demand for a product that will be very less. So every company, they want to maximize the profit, right? So they want to focus on the profit. So startup company, they used to focus towards to innovative problem solving for growing, scalable, flexible, higher risk. So they used to focus on this because they used to do a lot of trial and error for various technology to bring the strong and best competition. Okay, and will try to be main focused sector in their technology. So always entrepreneur is ready to take higher risk, strong competition, culture. So many technology they have to use it to come up with the uh, ideas. Okay, startup. So mainly we get 5 points: idea, hard work, launch, growth, and teams. Okay, so we'll see in depth on that. The first one is very important is innovative. Otherwise, I can tell you an example. Previously, we are interested, let's say, in 5 years back. So we don't have any online, right? It's completely it is physical. It's not digital world before. So let's say if you want to drink a coffee from near shop, yes, you can do it nowadays. You can go to online and you can just book it in online or order it in online. It will come in front of your doorstep delivery, right? So it completely got changed. So that everything is the world is completely you are like playing with the organization, corporate life. Okay. So the startup, the first one is idea. Idea needed what type of business you're going to start idealizing. It's very important. Okay. Some people they have to start selling a chocolates. So that's fine. But hard work is very important when you're going to start a business and when you're going to launch the business, the growth is very important. Okay, let us take an example of Google. Every time when you can see that some innovative because they want to maximize the profit, right? And let us take a Microsoft. Every time you can see that advanced technology that they are growing, right? Small business. So when you are starting a startup, initial stages, it is called a small business. Once it is expanded into a multi-sector, then it is called a multinational company, MNC. Okay. So when you are going to take a business idea, you must aware about the knowledge about what particular product, what business you are going to do. Passionate on that. Develop a detailed business plan. What is this detailed business plan? Where let's say where you're going to sell this product. Like imagine I'm going to sell a pen, okay, a pen. I must have it clear about what is the product, what are the ingredients to manufacture this pen, right? I what price I'm going to sell, whom I'm going to sell, what type of promotion I'm planning to give, what type of discounts I'm going to give to my customer, which geographical I'm going to sell this particular product. You need to have detailed explanation about your business plan so that you can see the estimation of future of your upcoming future on growth. Okay, so I must agree about the detailed information and when I'm going to start my business, what about my capital? How much I'm going to invest in this particular product or particular business? Okay. So before starting a business, you must have a demand for the product. Okay. Like whether it is there or not, whether if I start putting into a market, like in the market, whether it can be sustained for a long time. Those aspects you need to be cleared. Okay. Let us take an example. Nowadays, everybody we are using touchscreen mobile, right? Suppose if I am going to manufacture old button model, right? People are not interested to buy because the technology got improved. You can't force people to go to the ancient and bring the like button mobile, right? So the demand for the product is very less than how you able to get a profit, right? So first one is a business idea. Okay? A business idea is very, very important. The second one is before starting a business, you must aware about the demand for the product. So you can see there are so many small business came up in India and grown with a popular, it is going very high. So online business model, they are having actually good idea, right? We can able to maximize a profit in that small business. They are making candle soap. They are getting profit. They are making just a online portal like Swiggy, Uber. It is just connecting between restaurant to people. The the Uber owner, they are just intermediate between the end user to the restaurant, right? So they just done that. The end user is just tapping onto the application. It is going to provided by the restaurant. So that is what the bridge they are building between the each connectivity. That is what community. Okay. Online course. Yes, they are getting profit. The business consulting, they are getting profit, right? So what is consulting? So let's say if you want to get a job in IT sector, okay? If you want to get a job in IT sector, so let's say you're going to look into some like newspaper advertisement, some online application like Naukri, LinkedIn. So those are the consulting, right? It is consulting. I can tell you one thing. I want to buy some mobile. I'm having no idea about that. So that if I take a mobile, whether it is having prawns or prawns, like whether it is having a good or bad. So I can just go to online consultant any website or application. I can just see the features. I can see what is the advantages for this mobile. What is the drawbacks like heating up of mobile or hanging issue. Those feedback will be given by the online application. That is called a consulting concept, right? Social media management. And you know when you build a small business application or small business product, right? So you'll be not aware about way to promote your business. Initially, social media will work out, right? Social media, like you can just promote to Facebook, promote to WhatsApp, promote to Twitter. So we have n number of social media is grown up. We can just utilize it. We can make use of it, right? Social media management is one of way you can promote a small business idea to grow your product. Okay? There are so many products people are selling and getting profit, right? Everything comes under startup. Every startup has a chance and change the world by bringing not just a new product, but entirely a new institution in existence. I can give you an example. YouTube. Initially, when they started YouTube, no, it is just a startup. It is not a big MNC company or big company, big billion to do. What they are going to do in business integrator? They will guide you, okay? They will make you decision making when you want some decision making. They will help you in that. They will help you in investment. They will they will help you in how to start your organization. Where you have to register it, all this information. We are having n number of incubator. We are having it actually started by central government. Initially, it started from central government, right? So we'll discuss on that. So this incubator is main duty to help the young people. Oh, yeah, innovative idea. Promoting the business. They'll help you in each and everything. They'll help you providing office space in their organization itself. They will help you. The main thing is your innovative idea should meet with this. Then only the incubator will make you some phone pay or mentoring, or they might correct in the right path, in right direction. Okay, so they will make use of government. You can make use of government, central government. There are a number of schemes are there. Some schemes no need to repay. Suppose you have started some firm, okay, and from central government. Some schemes will be there, which you have. Suppose if whatever you get, like build your project, sometimes it might not what is that pick up, right? That time, if you get lost, then whatever the central government has invested on that project, some schemes won't no need to repay it. Okay, the central government is one which will help you in incubation, right? So they will mentor it. They will give you each and every stages of helping. If you are interested to do business related to agriculture, then you have to go to agricultural incubator. Everything there will help you. Whatever it is, under government of India, you can make use of it. Okay? Now you got to know what is incubator. Now how to like where to register your company, right? That is very important when you're uh, creating your venture, right? So what is the process of startup recognition? So where to start under government of India, right? Startup is there. You can you can just go to startup India, right? If you go to that online website, you can just create an account. You can just open your account. Anybody can open an account in a free of cost. You can go to Startup India website. You can just go there, register yourself. You can apply for the DPIT recognition. That will give you the next process for incubator. Okay, your name, whatever business you're going to do, those and which area you're going to do this your business. All the information you have to enter it. Okay, then application will be reviewed, and once they will take 72 working hours for complete review. Okay, and they will give you a certification of your business. Okay, it is very simple process. I hope a lot of business opportunities are there. Okay, so you can able to make use of it. Okay, we have to like the main thing is when you are doing a startup, the teamwork. How what is the team you build strong? That is very important. Okay, always we need to say economic is down, but like dollars rate is increasing one factor, but we will start selling the product other countries. Like imagine each and everyone we are going to sell the product to another country. Definitely our GDP will there. Okay, then we can able to get positive, right? So the recession period will go into a opposite side. We'll always used to say inflation, the dollar, where it started actually. Okay. Sometimes dollar is also last 1 month it started increasing. Okay, the last 2 days increasing. Got every day it will be like increasing. You can just recheck every time. Okay, everyone is talking about expenses. I started increasing. Yes, crude oil is increasing, petrol is increasing. So when capital is there, we have to start. You have to think about your creativity. Okay, we have to start a business for the government will help you, giving a lot of schemes. Definitely, uh, we can save our country. We can able to help with the decision period. It's a positive sign. Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay. Thank you. Um, Ma'am, the session is completed.
Yeah, Deepak. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Deepak, for all the. Any questions, audience, students? Any questions? Any questions, students? Any questions from your side? Any questions? Deepak, I have one question.
Yes, ma'am.
We will tell about incubation, right? How efficiently we can manage the incubation, like what further, and what further measures to be taken in the long run to have an incubation center with a lot of projects and its deployment.
The main thing is with the innovative ideas, the incubation is something they will provide the mentoring so that the decision making, those things and all will be, if you can have a discussion with them. So, like, what is your, like, how you can, what is that, how you can grow your business, those things and all, the incubation mentoring they will provide you. So, everything they are going to give. Main thing is innovative idea and hard work. That will make you the complete thing.
Because and also for the startup, the investment is one of the major issue and major.
Yeah. Yeah, actually the central government is providing.
Do it in your company. You had a company, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like how best you were able to do it?
Okay, initially when we started our startup, there was no fund or there was no path where to go, right? So when we just had a idea like what we have to do it. So we just proposed our idea to one of the what is that? One of the company. Okay, they just liked it and they started funding us. The main thing is idea, innovative idea is very important. Like what we are bringing to a world, which will change the existence infrastructure. Okay, that is that will make you more. The people will come and fund to the organization or to a project.
Okay, thank you, Deepak, for your help. In spite of your busy schedule, you came all the way and helped your juniors in this. Okay, on behalf of management and the Department of Computer Science principal, sir, I once again thank you for accepting the invitation and making this event a great success. Thank you all. Even the coordinator, Dr. Lavanya, for organizing this. Thank you, one and all. And also the participants, the students. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you all.